3 months or so ago, I built a roof rack for my car to be able to put lights on it, to be able to see if I want to drive around in the dark. But back then, it was kind of hastily thrown together. And since I now have the time, I thought I would do a version 2 of the roof rack. Just to clean it up a bit more, make it look a little bit better, and yeah, clean it up. Back then, the front light bar was a little bit crooked. The lights weren't all perfectly pointed at the same pitch. And I didn't have a button console for the switches, for the light switches. I want to change all that now. I'm going to see if I can correct the light bar so that it's straight. I want all the lights to be the same and straight. And I want the cables to be better hidden and more cleaned up. And I want to build a button console for the switches, or a switch console, I guess you can say, to make it look all a bit cleaner. As a job number 1, I want to start with these lights here to make sure that they're straight and point them the same way. And then job number 2 will be to clean up the wires, make them nice and on the side so that they aren't visible. And then job number 3 will be straightening out the light bar, because that's the hardest. I want to do that last. I don't really feel like doing that yet. So this we don't need yet. I will get some cutties. Blammo! I hope it's not too dark, since there's only this one stupid little light in here. Blammo. So I hope you can see something. Alright, so welcome back. That was like 10 minutes. But now all these lights are nice and symmetric. They're also really hard in there, and I did my best to hide these little zip tie nipples. These tape bits are gonna go away once I do the cables now. But anyway, all of these are nice and tight. I made sure that they're pointing the same, about the same angle downwards. These ones I angled up quite a bit, because I do still have my reversing lights that are like 5 meters in front of the thing, and then the splash from these should take over and do the next 10 to 20 meters easily. So that's better for the rear. And these here, I did same thing again. pointed them about the same angle. That's done now. Now we move on to doing the cables. So I'm gonna do my best to do this with zip ties again and hide all of these cables as good as possible here, either here or below the thing on the wire on the frame of the thing, so that it's nice and hidden, and you can't see it like this, because I don't think that looks good. So yeah, another time lapse and off we go. Right, so welcome back. I finished up all the wiring. As you can see, it's nice and hidden around the edges. For the most part, I hid it underneath the thing, so when you're walking on top of it, which I will probably do, when you're walking on top of the roof rack, you can see the wires, but that is done now. I also just really quickly did the light bar so that it's straight. It was really easy, just pushing like this side plastic to the side a little bit and then sliding the light bar down. That was all that was needed there, and that's gonna be all that I have time for in this episode. If you want to see episode 2 of me putting all of this on my car and starting on the light switches, get subscribed, because that is coming soon. Don't know when yet, but it is coming, and I hope I'll see you then. Peace.